I'm gonna make myself some hot chocolate. This is one of my favorite diffusions. The lens is the soul of your story. It creates this beautiful scallop. You stand over your camera. Cinematography tip for today: diopters. Now, these are what you always want to carry on your camera package, because there's always that time where they're like, I want an extreme close-up. And most lenses, their minimum focus is 2 feet, sometimes 11 to 12 inches, but that's more on the wide angle lenses. So if you want a real tight close-up of an eye, you're going to need a diopter. And this is, I have 1, 2, 3, they go up to 4. And the other thing about this that's really cool is, look at that. There's my tab that's stuck right to the Velcro. So when I pull this out, I'm taking this label and I'm putting it on the side of my matte box, so I know I have a diopter 2 in. And there's your cinematography tip for today.